Hello, welcome to Magical Maiden's Reviews. I'm Magical Maiden, and today I have something from Lyre Vine on Amazon. So before I get started, just want to remind you that when you're done watching this video, to look under the video in the description box for the links to this product that I will be reviewing. Once we get started, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you the product. I'm going to read a little bit about it to you and tell you a little bit about it and show it in action. So let's get started. Okay, so here it is. It's going to come in a box like this, and then you're going to open it up. And inside you're going to see there's going to be a manual and then a booklet. Okay, so these two things will be in there. Then you're going to see a few other items, such as you'll see all the brushes, and I'm going to read about what they do and everything, but I'm just showing it to you right off the bat. So here is the unit, okay, and you're going to turn it off and on right here. This is the rubber lid that you're going to pick up, and then you're going to plug in a USB charging cord, okay? And I'll get into that. And then that's the top of the unit. Here is the second part of it, and it has a loop so you can hang this up in your utility closet or anywhere you'd like. And this also will go into that, which I'm also going to show you. Then we have the USB charging. So the small part will go into the charging port, and this will go into, if you have a USB outlet, I'm going to show you that in a moment. I do. I have a USB outlet, but if you don't, you might want to get an adapter because this does not come with an adapter. If you get an adapter, you could plug this into any other AC wall. You could plug this into any plug, okay? But without that, you're going to need a special USB plug, okay? Then we have the brushes. So I'm going to show you these. They're pretty cool. Okay. You have two scrubby brushes, which I really like. And then you have two of these soft ones as well. Now here it is. They're going to be attached with Velcro. So this is where you would attach this, these, okay? So you're going to need this, and it's Velcro. And then you get two of these as well. Then you get one of these flat brushes. Then one of these nice rounded shaped ones. And then this is great for corners. It's like a pointed brush. And so you get all of these wonderful little brushes and scrubby things, and I love these. So I'm going to put these in the box for now. Just clear my desk, and I'm going to read a little bit about it to you. Okay, so before I start reading, I want to show you this is the unit. Now you're going to have this part to extend. Now if you only want to use this, you can, but what you're going to do is you're going to put this in, and you're going to hear a click. Now when you want to release it, you press that, and then you press it, and you pull. So again, go in there, okay? Now, there's a little black button on the extension part that you pull forward, and look, it's an extension. And then when you want it, you pull that and you put it back if you don't need it quite as long, okay? And again, you have that loop at the end. Here is the on-off button. And there is the light. I don't know if you're seeing that light. And it goes higher, so it has two speeds. And I'm going to read about it to you right now. So this is an electric spin scrubber by Lyrifine. Lyrifine is spelled Lyrifine, and you can find this on Amazon. So it's the Lyrifine store on Amazon, and this is an electric spin scrubber. It's fully waterproof, and you can scrub it any other way. It's waterproof as well. It's retractable handle, and it's USB charged. So this also has 2 speeds, and it's really great. It gets the scope. It's really good at tackling tough stains like soap scum and the grout, you know how grout gets. And it has 2 speeds. One's a low speed at 280 RPM, and then another one, which you click in a second time, is 330 RPM for a deeper cleaning for those stubborn stains. And it's fully waterproof, and it's safe, it's effective, and you could use it in any damp environment. So it's not just waterproof at the head. The whole unit could end up inside there and it'll still be fine. It's totally waterproof. Some of you might remember that a few weeks ago, I had something similar like that I reviewed. So I like comparison reviewing, and the other one was great quality, and this one is also 100% great quality, and I recommend either one to you if you're looking for something that's easier for you. Now, I love these electric scrubbers. This one is really great because I like the retractable. On my other one, it had 3 pieces that you could disconnect and connect depending on how long you wanted it. This one has 1 piece, and then has another piece, but then it can become longer, like I showed you. So that's a great feature as well. So you see, I like this one just as much as I like the other one, and I would definitely recommend this to anyone looking for something that makes their life easier when cleaning. Now, if you're like me, I have a bad back, I have a bad neck, I have a bad knee, and when you're cleaning, you don't want to, bend over and clean your tub. You have to get on your knees and you have to scrub the inner side and all around, or you have to reach over, and that's really hard on your body. And I know that my bad knee, I don't like staying on my knees to scrub and leaning over, and then sometimes it hurts your hand if you have to really scrub, especially you're grouting or like any mold or mildew. I also have herniated discs in my neck. So it makes it hard, and it's hard on your neck and shoulders when you're scrubbing. So this electric scrubber really helps out a lot. Not only is it easier to clean, it's a little fun too, because it's really fun at using the different brushes and attachments and getting to be able to clean what you need to clean fast and efficiently, and it makes it so much easier. And then you have the rest of the day for yourself. Instead of spending hours and hours scrubbing and cleaning just to get a little stain out or a few stains out, you could do it faster and cut your time basically in half with this electric scrubber. So now I'm going to read and show you what each brush will do. So the dome brush. The dome brush is great and ideal for bathtubs, tiles, sinks, and walls. The flat brush is great for large surfaces. The flat brush is great for large areas such as hard floors, tiles, walls, and drains. So that's really great as well. The corner brush. This is ideal for tile grout edges, corners, and tight places. Like in your tub, you have the corner and around your faucet. This is great for it. To charge, you just plug it back in. After every use, I would charge it a little and look for the light. When the light is green, then it's good to go and you can hang it up again. So this is got 90 minutes working time once fully charged. It's waterproof. You have a USB charging. It's a dual spin. You have 2 speeds, and it's an adjustable handle, which I really like. effective and lightweight. It's easy to use and labor saving. Like I said, if you have arthritis, you'll really love this. You won't have to hold a sponge and really scrub it. It's easy on your neck and shoulders. It's easy on your lower back and your knees. And it cuts your cleaning time in half and you have more time for yourself. I really love this. So let's go clean my bath. And this is just so great to use. And even on your walls. You have to have water. You could use a little Comet. You could use any kind of scrubbing cleaning supply that you like with this. And it really works wonderful. And then if you didn't want to use a scrubbing sponge, for the corners you could attach the brush through. Okay, so as you can see, I plugged the charger in this spot. Right here it has the little rubber lid that's attached, and then you put the small end in there. And if you don't have one of these outlets, this is a USB, and then it has for 2 plugs, because this does not come with an adapter. You could also buy an adapter if you don't have one of these with the USB, but most people are getting these USB outlets. You just would plug this into your existing outlet, and then you have 2 USBs and 2 plugs. And this really comes in handy. But that's all you have to do. And then you'll see there's a red light. And once it's charged, the light should turn green. I would definitely recommend this to anybody looking for something that's easier for them to clean. And I love this. I'm telling you, it actually makes cleaning fun. Now, I'm a bit of a clean freak, as most people know. I don't love to clean, but I love my house being clean, feeling clean, looking clean, and smelling clean. So I do want that. And unfortunately, it's not always a fun chore to do. But this actually makes it a little fun, and it's quick. That's what I love about it. It's so fast, easy, and affordable, and a little bit of fun. And you can do your tubs, your floors, anywhere you really need cleaning. And the best part, it's fully waterproof. So if you drop it in water, you don't have to worry about it. All in all, the Livery Fine Electric Spin Scrubber really works well. And I love the retractable feature. And like I said, if you didn't want this, you just remove this part. I love that I can hang it up. It already comes with this. It's a rubber, and everything is there for your convenience. So like I said, if you want to make your life easier, definitely this would make a great Mother's Day gift. That's coming up. Or an any day gift, or just for yourself. I love this. It makes it a little better and easier for me when cleaning day comes. I don't dread it as much. I'm like, no, I'm not going to be in pain. I'll just get my scrubbing brush out. So if I had to compare it with the other one, they're both wonderful. I love them both. And I really love this one. This one might be my favorite because of the retractable. I don't have to keep connecting and disconnecting pieces. This is all here. I just have to connect this to there and then retract it. And if I don't want it all the way, I can retract it a little bit the whole way, or I could just leave it like this. And it really does a great job. I love that it's waterproof and has 2 speeds. And again, remember, it doesn't come with an adapter, but it is a USB charging. And it's really easy and simple, and you get 90 minutes once it's fully charged. So I hope you'll remember to click that link below this video in the description box and go check out the Electric Spin Scrubber from Livery Fine on Amazon. So thanks for watching. Bye.